Hello, this is Nick Saint-Erne, and today I'm going to show you a recipe using some London rocket, which is a weed that grows wild around Arizona here and most of the United States. It was originally introduced from Europe. In A Garden of Herbs by Eleanor Sinclair Road from 1936, she mentions that rocket was referred to as London rocket originally in Plant Lore, Legends, and Lyrics by Richard Folkard Jr., who stated that the London rocket is said to have first appeared in the metropolis in the spring succeeding the Great Fire of London in 1666, when young rockets were seen everywhere springing up among the ruins, where they increased so marvelously that in the summer the enormous crop crowding over the surface of London created the greatest astonishment and wonder. The English name rocket derives from the Middle French roquette and the Italian rocchetta, the latter diminutive of ruca from the Latin eruca, applied to any kind of mustard plant. The name of the salad plant, arugula, also a member of the mustard family, goes back to the same roots. In the Saint-Erne Desert Food Plants book, Sisymbrium irio is called wild mustard, but then it has other common names, London rocket, which I found is most well known as. It's originally from Eurasia. Be sure to rinse them well and then break them into bite-sized pieces. I like to cook mine with some onions, and if you have available garlic and mushrooms as well as the bacon, or you could use olive oil for a grease. Start by cooking the bacon to put some grease on the bottom of the pan. Then add in the garlic, mushrooms, onions, whatever else you want to cook. Then lastly, add the greens on top of that, which will cook very quickly, and they'll reduce down considerably, so the whole bowl of greens will shrink down into just a few servings. After the greens are softened and slightly cooked, you don't want to overcook them, they're ready to serve. I served mine up with the mushrooms, onions, and bacon, along with a little salt and pepper sprinkled over the top. You could use other spices as well. Some of the other middle-aged spices such as poudre fort, the strong powder, and then a little bit of kvass, a Eastern European small beer or light beverage that goes really well with the strong flavors foods, especially the mustardy flavor of London rocket. Give this a try. It's a great recipe. Thank you for watching.